Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download Play Store on LG Smart TV. Here's how to download the Play Store on your LG Smart TV. First, go to your TV's homepage, select apps from the menu. Once the app list loads, use the search bar to type in Play Store. When you see the option to perform a web search for Play Store, select it. This will open your browser. Search for Google Play Store. Click the first result, usually labeled Android apps on Google Play, and it will load the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth browsing. Once loaded, you can explore a wide range of apps, download your favorites, and even update them directly from the Play Store. This method allows you to fully enjoy Android apps on your TV without needing extra devices or complicated setups. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.